Alright, hey, this is Toe 2 Bravo, and we're out at the range again today. It's a beautiful day out here in western Pennsylvania. Unfortunately, we're at the 50-yard range. The 100, 200, and 300-yard range is occupied at this time, so we're going to have to make do with what we've got. So we're going to see what kind of groups we can get at 50 yards with the 300 Blackout Reboot AR. So that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and put some rounds down range. So here we go. All right, that's 5 rounds. Let's go down range and see what we got. We'll be right back. So let's creep on down range. All right, we're closing in on the target. This is our 300 Blackout Reboot AR. Not bad. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds. So we'll connect all those. Not bad at all. Very happy with that group. So the Reboot AR is definitely on point. So we'll go ahead and shoot another 5 at this target. Pan around. So there's the firing line. And there's those back end of those beautiful trees there in western Pennsylvania. A lot of the leaves have already fallen off, but you can see that it was probably last week there was some really beautiful color. The red and the yellow. I hear some ricochets from the range next door. That's never good. Off in the distance. All right, we'll be back. Let's get some rounds down range. All right, this will be our second series of 5. Top target. Here we go. That was our last 5 rounds. Not bad. 300 Blackout, 3rd series. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Bottom target. All rounds complete. Let's go look at the paper. 300 Blackout, series number 4. 8 rounds this time. 8 rounds, top target. 8 rounds, top target. Here we go. All rounds complete. Let's go look at the paper. See what we got.